Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Marathon Oil Corporation. Now, I have talked about this stock in the past and I'm doing it again because what is happening is people are still in that phase of mind where they are expecting some huge amount of gain. But the problem is, if you do not understand the trend and the market cycle and keep on expecting unnecessary returns over a period of next couple of days or weeks, then you will probably or you will not like the market beyond a certain point. So let us discuss some important thing as well as the trend of Marathon Oil Corporation and the next big trend as far as this stock is concerned. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, primarily if you are looking at this stock, okay, so because there are two things, first about the stock and also about the market. So if you are expecting or if you keep on expecting very vibrant return from the market, so probably this is not the time where we can get it. Okay, and most of all, you need to, if some stocks are working, you should understand the limitations as well as the past performance or the gains that it has given. So if you are satisfied with a decent amount of gain, probably yes, but if you are not satisfied and if you look for some exceptional returns in a very short amount of time, then you need to be a super smart guy, or you need to be someone who knows where the money is flowing beforehand, or who has that forecasting eye where one can predict what will happen in the future. Otherwise, you just be a normal guy and just treat the market is always supreme. Right now, if you're looking at the trend, these are all the levels that the stock has crossed, and from the lows of 2020 this stock has indeed give some very good returns, 630%. I specifically remember this is one of those stocks which I have been talked about in the last couple of months, or if you're looking at the last one and a half year worth of chart. I have made couple of videos on this, and the stock never disappoints. Although in terms of percentage, the stock never give 10,000% worth of return, but 600 steady percent return is better than 10,000% worth of volatile return where we do not understand what we should do going forward. Now, on the downside, you have $19, which is going to be your immediate support as well as your stop loss. Do not go below that. As well as on the upside, we have our primary target or immediate target of $25. Now, after $25, if the stock keeps on moving higher, we have two specific levels to look at, and they are 31 and 35. And after $35, we will simply look at the highest end of the range, or stock could probably retest its previous high that it has made in the year 2007 and 2014, and that is simply we are looking at. So what we are looking at is some decent amount of return. So the levels which we are looking here is $40 and $42. Now, we can't go beyond $42 for the simple reason that the stock never did that, and it is indeed a very big resistance in the past 14 or 15 years. So until and unless the stock itself makes a move beyond $42, we ourselves can't go beyond $42. But from the current level towards the highest end of the range, this is a decent amount of return what one can expect. And in a market where return is very rare, if you are getting a decent amount of return, so stay happy with that. Do not try to oversimplify things in times when things are not looking good or things are looking volatile, and stock market is flushing out all the excesses. So you need to be very much concerned, or you need to be very much disciplined about whatever you are doing. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.